Would you like to start a business in the food industry, but feel like the whole market is already saturated? Don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you 10 Asian food business ideas that you can replicate in your city and turn into a total success. The best part is that they're easy to start and don't require a large investment. So relax, open your appetite, and get ready to be inspired because these ideas could be your next big business venture. Number 1. Korean hot dogs. Imagine walking down a street full of irresistible aromas and spotting a snack that combines simplicity, flavor, and creativity. Korean hot dogs, also known as corn dogs. It's not just a sausage on a stick. It's a product that has conquered Asia and is gaining ground all over the world. The magic begins in the preparation. Each sausage is dipped in a seasoned flour batter, coated with panko or even regular cereals, and then fried to achieve a crispy exterior and a juicy interior that bursts with flavor in every bite. In the most modern stalls, electric fryers are used that allow you to insert the stick without getting your hands dirty, making the eating experience clean and practical. And we don't stop at the basics. The versatility of the product is huge. You can offer versions that are half sausage and half cheese, or experiment with chicken, ham, or other types of meat. This allows you to adapt the flavors to any local market, while always keeping innovation at the forefront. If Korean hot dogs show how a simple snack can become a phenomenon, just wait to see how breakfast can turn into a magnet for customers. Number 2. Coin-shaped waffles. In Korea, breakfast is also reinvented with creativity. Coin-shaped waffles filled with mozzarella cheese are a perfect example of simple yet effective innovation. At first glance, they look like regular waffles, but inside, they hide a creamy texture that wins you over from the very first bite. The preparation is straightforward: waffle mix, milk, and egg. The key ingredient is the cheese, placed generously in each waffle and melted during cooking. Double waffle irons with circular coin-shaped molds are used, but creativity has no limits. You can use coins from your country, local symbols, or custom designs that surprise the customer. The result is an affordable, eye-catching, and easy-to-make product, with a taste that ensures customers come back again and again. The combination of practicality, accessible price, and visual appeal makes these waffles an irresistible proposal for any business. And if you thought Korean innovation was only in snacks and breakfasts, the next idea takes freshness and health to another level. Number 3. Packaged fresh fruit. Packaged fresh fruit is a perfect option for any city. It's a product that's becoming more and more popular compared to ultra-processed foods, attracting those who are looking for quick and natural alternatives. The preparation is simple: quality fresh fruit, portioned into lidded cups, and a space to assemble the orders. The difference lies in how it's offered. In many places in Asia, the cups combine different fruits, creating colorful and attractive mixes. In addition, the customer can eat it directly or turn it into juice or a frappé with ice in seconds. This business model is especially profitable in warm climates, where the demand for light and nutritious drinks is high. With low investment and creativity in presentation, such as combining exotic fruits or adding healthy toppings, you can attract a wide audience and maintain constant sales. Packaged fresh fruit is not only practical and delicious, but it also has great potential for growth and customer loyalty. And since we're talking about natural fruits, let's move on to our next business. Number 4. Natural ice cream. After exploring snacks, breakfasts, and fresh fruit, we now move on to a classic that never goes out of style: natural ice cream. Especially in warm climates, these ice creams made with fresh fruit have constant demand. The difference compared to regular ice creams lies in the freshness and flavor. The product is made directly with fruit, resulting in something healthier, more appealing, and full of taste. The process is simple yet strategic. First, the fruit is cut and processed, then it's mixed with heavy cream or an ice cream base, and finally, it's placed in a machine that achieves a creamy and uniform texture. With just this one machine, you can create different flavors depending on the available fruit, adapting to the season, and always keeping new options for your customers. This business model is extremely versatile. You can set up a small ice cream shop with direct sales to the public, or produce in bulk for restaurants, cafes, and stores that want to offer an artisanal ice cream different from industrial ones. The combination of low cost, simplicity, and strong public acceptance makes natural ice cream a business idea with high entrepreneurial potential. And if ice cream shows how a classic can be reinvented with freshness, just wait to see how creativity and flavor can combine in a snack that merges two worlds: waffle and pizza. Number 5. Pizza waffles. Pizza waffles are a clear example of innovation applied to street food. Born in South Korea, these snacks transform the classic sweet waffle batter into a crunchy, neutral base, perfect for becoming a pizza. The best part is that the idea is simple, yet the result is irresistible. The process is straightforward and adaptable. First, the waffle is cooked. Then tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and traditional pizza toppings are added. Anchovies, olives, pepperoni, or whatever the customer prefers. After that, it goes into the oven for a few minutes until the cheese melts and the flavors blend together. What you get is an original snack, easy to eat, with the visual appeal of a waffle, but the familiar taste of a pizza. The required investment is minimal. You only need a waffle maker and a basic oven to get started, whether for direct sales or to package it as ready-to-eat pizza. Its innovative presentation and mix of textures make it perfect to quickly attract customers and generate steady income. And if you thought creativity in Korea was limited to snacks or breakfast, the next idea takes us into the world of gourmet desserts. Number 6. Korean canelés. Korean canelés are a perfect example of how to reinterpret a European classic with a local and modern twist. Taking the famous French dessert as a base, new versions are created adapted to Korean tastes, with innovative flavors and eye-catching presentations that could conquer any city. The process begins with a custard base made of eggs, sugar, vanilla syrup, butter, and milk. This mixture is then transformed into batters with different flavors: vanilla, chocolate with cocoa, Earl Grey infused into the custard, and even matcha, which adds a vibrant green color and a refined flavor. Each batter requires resting, first at room temperature and then refrigerated, until the perfect texture is achieved. Once ready, it's baked, producing the magic of the canelé, a crispy crust on the outside and a soft, delicate interior. The result is an original, versatile dessert that's easy to enjoy. No complex machinery is needed. With accessible ingredients and a good oven, you can produce them, sell them directly, or package them as a gourmet product. The combination of classic and innovative flavors makes Korean canelés an excellent option to attract customers seeking quality, originality, and a touch of sophistication. And staying in the world of baked doughs, let's move on to the next business. Number 7. Chimney bread. There's a concept that combines creativity, presentation, and versatility: chimney bread. The idea is simple yet surprising. Instead of a traditional loaf, a dough similar to pretzel dough is prepared, rolled around skewers, baked, and turned into a hollow bread with a visually striking design. The most interesting part is its versatility. Once baked, the bread can be filled in countless ways: custards and sweet creams for those looking for a dessert, or savory versions with pizza, cheese, salami, pepperoni, and even transformed into an original hot dog. This allows a single product to adapt to different times of the day and to various customer preferences. The process is practical and doesn't require a large investment. With an oven and a bit of creativity, you can produce them for direct sales, food fairs, or even package them as an innovative snack. Their eye-catching appearance and the variety of combinations they allow make them an ideal option to attract customers and quickly generate income. If chimney bread stands out for its shape and versatility, the next idea shows us how a snack can reinvent a classic with bold flavor. Number 8. Bacon rolls. Bacon rolls are a creative snack that transforms the concept of sushi into something completely different. Instead of rice and seaweed, thin strips of bacon are used to wrap a filling of vegetables and cheese, creating a bite that is both eye-catching and full of flavor. The preparation is straightforward. The strips of bacon are laid out overlapping, filled with cabbage, carrot, cheese, or other ingredients, and rolled sushi style. Then they are slowly cooked on a hot griddle, brushed with soy sauce to enhance the flavor and maintain the perfect shape of the roll. Once ready, they are cut into small portions, ready to eat with chopsticks or by hand. The result is an original snack, with the appearance of sushi, but with the irresistible flavor of bacon combined with vegetables and cheese. No large investment is needed. Just bacon, vegetables, cheese, and a basic griddle are enough to start a business in food trucks, street vending, or small shops. The innovative presentation and strong flavor make these rolls a magnet for customers. And if bacon rolls show how to reinvent a savory snack, stuffed waffles demonstrate how to do the same in the world of desserts. Number 9. Stuffed waffles. Stuffed waffles are a dessert that has conquered Asia thanks to their creativity and flavor. The idea is to transform the traditional waffle into the base of a sweet sandwich filled with cream and irresistible flavors. The process is practical. The waffle is prepared, left to cool, and then filled with chantilly cream and jam according to the customer's choice: strawberry, blackberry, pineapple, orange, or any other option. For an extra touch, nuts like pistachios, almonds, or peanuts are added, combining texture and flavor in every bite. The result is an original dessert with the appearance of a sandwich, but with the sweetness and freshness of cream, fruit, and nuts. The investment is minimal. With a waffle maker and basic ingredients, you can start producing these desserts, whether for direct sales, fairs, or packaged as ready to go. Their attractive presentation and unique flavor make them irresistible to any customer. And to wrap up this series of innovative ideas, nothing beats a burger that reinvents a classic with Asian flavors. Number 10. Asian burgers. Asian burgers take the classic street burger and transform it with techniques and flavors that make it unique. It all starts with good bread, preferably potato or sweet potato bread in a balanced size. The star protein is usually crispy chicken, prepared with chicken thigh for greater juiciness. Before serving, the chicken is coated in a mixture of soy sauce, sugar, and ginger, achieving that characteristic and distinctive flavor. The toppings and accompaniments also make the difference. Hard-boiled egg with mustard, pickles, coleslaw, arugula or fresh sprouts, and even caramelized onions combine texture and taste. The result is a hearty, eye-catching, and balanced burger that offers a flavor experience different from any conventional option. No large investment is needed. With good ingredients, a simple kitchen space, and creativity in the flavors, you can produce them for food trucks, small shops, or street vending. Their bold presentation and original flavor make Asian burgers the perfect option to close this series of innovative ideas and to quickly attract customers. And that's it. We've reached the end of these 10 Asian food business ideas that you can bring to your city and turn into a success. Now I want to know, which of these ideas excites you the most to start? Write it in the comments. I love reading them. If you truly want to take the next step, explore the recipes, master the cooking techniques, and add your own unique touch so that your product is exclusive and different from everything else in your area. If this video inspired you and made you want to start a business, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and leave your like. See you in the next video.